iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max will launch next month, and alongside packing a variety of new features, there are 3 design changes coming. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The first is the unified rear glass and aluminum colors. Among the iPhone 17 Pro's several design changes, colors have clearly been a hit, and no one seems to mind the full-width camera plateau. However, one design decision has been a bit more polarizing: the two-tone rear glass and aluminum. But now Apple plans to address, as a leak suggests, the iPhone 18 Pro series features a redesigned back glass that minimizes the color difference between the glass and the aluminum back panel. Next, Apple launched the Dynamic Island 4 years ago with iPhone 14 Pro. Since then, despite plenty of rumors about a smaller design in the works, the Dynamic Island has been unchanged. But next month, with iPhone 18 Pro, a new Dynamic Island design is finally coming. Rumors say the new Dynamic Island will be about 35% smaller on the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. Some Face ID components are being moved under the display, but not all of them. Thus, Apple isn't moving to hole punch design, at least not yet. And last, Apple did something surprising with the iPhone 17 Pro. It offered bold, fun color options. With Cosmic Orange, Apple proved that it can shift away from basic shades of white, black, and gray, and can pick some fun colors. Rumors indicate the company plans to continue offering fun Pro colors, with the iPhone 18 Pro expected to come in dark cherry, silver, and light blue. There have been conflicting reports on whether space gray black will make a comeback this year, but it is possible a 4th color will come. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.